My baby. My yori. Mburobimu. The only love of my life.
Leave me, I beg. So if you didn't see me here now, you wouldn't have called me.
How can you say that? Am I crazy? How can I come to the village and I will not come and see you? Can't you see where this car is facing? To your house. See, let me tell you. My body is in the city. My soul in this village. Do you know that in the city I can't even breathe well? Because part of me is in the village. Can't you see where this car is facing? It's going to your house. To carry you and go and enjoy.
Wow, baby. This car is looking different. It's not the car you came home with the last time.
You see, when you talk of car, forget my oga. My oga uses this car to drink. My oga drink car like water. The way people breathe, when my oga is breathing, what is coming out from his nose is water. It's car. Wow. My oga uses, see, can't you see, there are plenty of them there. Can't you see that? As the head boy, what will I be doing in the city? What would these cars be doing there? Why I'm coming to the village to see my baby? I must carry one.
That means when he settles you this December, he may end up giving you one car.
You are right. See, let me tell you, my oga, when you settle me, he'll give you more than 4 cars. What is he going to cook with car? See, by the time he give me 4 cars, what do you think my girlfriend will be trekking on the road? I will give you one, of course. Can't you see?
Baby. That's why I love you.
See, let me tell you, I was going to your house to carry you so that we'll go to Isewu joint and finish ourselves. Today, our stomach will complain.
Let's go at once.
Our stomach will complain. Enter the car. Come. Enter. Enter the car. Let us go and enjoy. Enter. Today is today. Our stomach will complain. We move.
Unikwa.
Okura, okusigo. Eze sinachi umibe.
Okudon! It's a lie! Okudon!
Yes.
Okudon!
Yeah.
Hey! What am I seeing?
Yes.
Okudon! In my own compound! Hey! Well, yeah. Tete! Respect, Nico!
Yes, this is Frank the Don, that enigmatic visionary of a billionaire this village is proud of.
Who don't know you? Who don't know you for this village? The land! In the land! We know you! Hey! Welcome, sir!
Thank you.
Welcome.
No. Please come back. Please. So, apart from being beautiful, intelligent, and of course very witty, may I know your name, please?
All this grammar to know my name. Anyway, my name is Ugombo. Ugochisa. Let me get this.
No. Please. No need for that. Yes, I would like to see your brother or your mother.
My brother.
Yes.
Who is this shadow? And what are you doing in my compound?
Mama, I greet you once again.
I refuse to take that greeting. What are you doing here, Frank? Why don't you leave us alone? No, why do you think that the gods are wrong by choosing my son as the next king of this village? I am asking you, why don't you leave us alone?
I wonder, is it by force to be a king? Or better still, wait for the turn of your king?
Are you mad? See, Mama, wait, listen, no. I don't care if you slap me again. I must talk this time around. This is wrong now. Nah, man, this is wrong. Got it wrong. What has he done now? He did nothing wrong to you both. No, can you hold me now? You got the power. You fall down now. You got the power. Just relax here now. Park here one side. Did it wrong now. Allow him to land. Uncle Don, we could talk. We're listening. No,
please calm down.
Calm down for what? Why are you coming? No, tell me about this. Calm down. Why are you here? What are you here for? I want to know.
Mama. You see, it is not in doubt that the throne belongs to this family. It's not in doubt at all. Okay, but you're moving at snail speed. You've done absolutely nothing to get in the throne. So let me do you the honors of getting this throne. Okay? Mama, listen. Everybody that concerns this particular throne we're talking about in this kindred has been paid handsomely. And they've given their nod. Paid handsomely. I'm going to raise the bar of paying this family handsomely to the tune of 500 million naira.
It's a lie.
I pay you off with 500 million naira.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth! Uncle Don! Hey! Hey! Biko, hallelujah! Hallelujah! What can I do?
In fact, I'm not minding you. Asago Boroga. No, Asago Boroga. I'm not minding you.
Mama, please. Listen. You look like somebody who knows what she wants, okay? So please, tell Mama that she doesn't even need to talk. She should just give a nod, and right here, I'll call my account officer. The money will be forwarded to you. 500 million.
She's my mother. She's my mother. Okay. She's agreed. Okay, go.
500 million naira yours.
Yes. What is that your name?
Frank the Don, yes.
You have done nothing. You have done absolutely nothing. You think you are a millionaire, but you are a millionaire. You are a million nothing. You think you have money. You have nothing like money. You have ordinary papers in your pocket. That is all. And let me tell you, even if you sell your whole miserable self to me, I cannot sell that throne. We can never sell that throne. I am telling you the fact. Now leave my compound. You get out before my son comes back and meets you here. You know what happened the other time? I will not allow it to repeat itself again. So leave. Out!
Mama, this thing is not about...
Get out. I know I don't have any word with you. Your brain is empty.
Mama, go. What are you saying now? It's not for me.
Come on, shut up.
It's not forming things here.
Get out.
It's not forming things. Just accept. I'm nature, but don't form. Don't form. We need this money now.
I said you should leave now.
Mama.
Uncle Don. Yes. We need it.
I know. Mama, it will be very unfortunate that poverty romances this family.
Yeah, romance, Yagi. Let poverty romance you forever. Nonsense.
Mama, why you now?
Made my offer. Do the honors to yourself and your family to live well. Okay?
Uncle Don.
This is not for you.
Uncle Don.
Uncle
Don.
Talk to your mother.
I need this money, please. How do I
sing off of a wogi?
Uncle Don.
Nonsense.
Give me your number.
Don't worry.
Useless thing. Get out.
Uncle Don, how do I call you? I don't have your number. Please, I would like to call, sir. Mama. Mama, you got the power.
I will get.
You got the power.
You got the boogie.
You got the power.
The second got double ever.
You got the power.
You got double quick. You got what you want.
Sorry. Hey! Onago. Hey! Yes, Gono. Hey!
What is it?
Oh!
Why are you shouting now?
Oh my God! God, why? Why me? Why did you bring me to this family? Hey, okay, why, God?
So it's because of that money you're crying? Sister?
God, why did you bring me here?
It's alright. When you finish crying, you come inside.
Hey, God. 500 million naira now. Mama, park here. Mama, park here. You have to accept this money.
I've actually told her the truth. I know soon all will be over.
Yes, and I'm glad your words really revived my mother. She was so happy. You know I love you, right?
I say I don't know what else to do. I don't just know what else to do. I have a plan with Ichiago. Yes. We want to have a meeting with them tomorrow. He wants to lease a land for me to get a loan. But that land is very small. And he has actually sold all his land to help his son.
But you have to make plans. Serious plans, and you have to make them fast. Because these people are...
Yes, I need you to hear. Uyema, how are you? Uyema, my hand is hanging. Let it hang. Let it remain there. See, let me tell you something. I am not afraid of you or your money. Do you understand? I am not afraid of you at all. I will never allow you to take what belongs to me. It will never happen. And I hope they told you what I did to them today. I hope they told you. Oh yeah, man. I'm just coming from your house. And I believe I've talked too much enough. So, our talk is cheap. I've raised the bar and it's now 500 million naira. Yes, 500 million naira. And you give me the throne, all right? 500 million naira, your life changes, your family's life changes, and of course, this your lady here will have a good taste of life as well. Don't kill her with poverty.
Oni. You want to fight?
Oh yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh yeah. Last time you tried this, I forgive you. But trust me when I say, if you have your hands on me ever again, you will not see anything called freedom in your life again. Listen, the offer is 500 million naira, okay? 500 million naira. Give me the throne, because my next offer might not be nice. 500 million naira. 500 million naira. My next offer will not be nice.
It's okay. Hey, it's okay now. It's okay. Don't just let him go. Okay? Let's go. Only let us go. It's okay.
Uzo one. Hey. Uzo making money. Money. Uzo machine. Hey, money. Hey. Onyeze. Yogarebe. Ah. Obodo Ibo. Onyeze. Yogarebe. Ah. Obodo Ibo. Onyeze.
You people should eat money. Hey. Enjoy money. My Oga has money. When you serve a rich man, you're equally a rich man. Hey. If you don't know, see, let me tell you. Before I go back to the city, I'm going to impregnate all of you in this village with money. I will impregnate all of you with money. You will see.
Yes, my friend. You are correct. See, you don't know how much we have been having you in this village. We have you so much, or you don't know. Each time you come to this village, you come with different car.
Let me tell you. You are still talking of car. Because it's still 1,000 grand. Next time I'm coming back, I'm coming with the helicopter.
Yeah.
You will see that my Oga has money.
Yeah. Sir, Biko, show us the way. We want to be like you, Biko.
They want me to show them. Don't worry. I'm still on the way. By the time I get to my destination, my Oga will settle me by Christmas. All of you will pack and go. You will enter city.
Yamba!
You are going to the city, all of you. Yes.
Hey!
Yes, my baby.
Ginika!
Hey!
Look at Ginika. Ginika, you're enjoying, oh. You're just flexing.
My brother, what can I do?
Hey!
Why won't I enjoy?
Tabano.
That's why I love my baby.
Yeah!
Because I know he will definitely make it.
I will make it. You see this meat? Let this finish. I will buy another one.
Hey!
No.
Madam, did you hear that?
No.
Hey!
But this is the way you talk now. Hold on. I want you to be kind. Ego come. One apple for you. Take it.
Wow! Baby! All this for me?
More for you.
Hey! Wait.
Hey, baby.
Stop
doing that? Hey!
You see it? In fact, for what you did now, wait. For kissing me in public. Another rapper for you.
Uzo! 1 million. Uzo 1. Uzo 1 million. Uzo Itiwago. Uzo 1 million.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Uzo, you have made money.
In fact,
Uzo 151.
Okay.
Abasiago Nkiti.
Okay. Okay.
Hey!
Uzo, you're calling me Uzo Titi. Tiwala goes on now.
Take it. Hey! Uzo 1 million
for you.
Uzo 1 million.
I don't have 1 million to give you. Why are you calling me Uzo 1 million? You want me to give you 1 million? You're calling me Uzo 1 million for me to give you 1 million. Okay. Okay.
Money.
Huh?
You have money.
Stupid, okay.
Money. Uzo money. Money.
Don't worry.
Money.
I will count your own.
Yeah.
See bundle of money. I will count your own. Open your eyes. Camera your bed, camera around your money.
Yeah. You have made money.
Because of your sick mother.
Uzo.
Let me give you this one.
Uzo. God will bless you.
Huh?
Money.
This
is money. You don't know me very well.
Yeah.
Let me tell you. When you come to the city, just call my Oga.
That's my baby.
My Oga has money. So I equally have money. You see this village? I'm going to buy it very soon. Our traditional marriage. You see, these people are fighting that they want to be Igwe. By that time, my word is that I don't want my Oga settle me by December. If Onyema is not yet king, I might end up becoming the king.
I'll be up here. Uzo. Leave Onyema. Onyema is very stupid.
I might end up becoming.
Since your mama found up, they never sabi. Since your papa found up, they never sabi. Since your mama found up, they never sabi. Oh, Uzo, show them the way. Since your mama found up, they never sabi. Since your mama found up, they never sabi.
Yes, sir.
Since your papa found up, they never sabi. Oh, Uzo, show them the way.
Yes, sir.
Since your mama found up, they never sabi. Since your papa found up, they never sabi. Since your papa found up, they never sabi. Oh, Uzo, show them the way. Since your mama found up, they never sabi.
Money is good.
What can you imagine? You should warn him all. Because if I see him anywhere around my house or on the road and stop, I will enjoy him.
Mama, my own question is, why would he want to spend such amount of money on a throne? Just because of a throne. Mama, did you hear the money? 500 million naira. Hi. Mama, that's a lot. A lot.
In fact, Yahweh Jurumanya. I don't know his reasons. I don't know. Nah, you need to see what your sister did today. Your sister will go to disgrace us. If you see disgrace, ask Akuchi here.
I know she's a very stupid girl, but one day, just one day, I will forget that she's my blood sister and I will deal with her so much that she will never regret herself. Eh? Mama, what is there about the throne that Frank wants to kill himself?
I don't know, brother. I have no idea. But just make sure he doesn't take your inheritance from you.
Am I mad?
Eh? Am I mad?
Oh.
Yeah?
Nah, but that money is big. Hi, 500 million. Hi! Nah, the money is big. It's plenty. Very plenty. Hi, 500. 500 million.
Hey. Let me hear what?
I thought we were just talking. Oh. Wow. Papa, so you mean he gave you elders such amount of money to share again?
I am telling you that we have seen our Messiah. Frank the Don Perignon is our Messiah. The only problem we have here is that Onyemechi, the evil in Onyemechi, has not given him that chance to succeed.
No, that's Oyema guy. He better give way so good things can come to this community.
Don't mind him.
But why does he want the throne that way? Eh? The money is too much, oh. That kind of money is too big. I know our son is going to fall to his trap this time around. I know.
He will not escape it. Even if he does, his younger sister, Ugochi, will not give him peace in that house. That I know.
Well, if I was in her shoes, I would do the same. With such amounts of money, their lives will completely change.
Let me tell you something. Whether Onyemechi likes it or not, he will surrender. Because I will personally sponsor war. I will sponsor war in as much as I am the Onowu in this kingdom. Others will be following me. I will sponsor war. The type of war I will sponsor is going to... Have you heard of Trojan War before? The Trojan War is going to be something less to begin to count. The type of war I will launch. You have forgotten that I was enrolled in the frontier force.
Papa, I trust you.
First battalion. I will so deal with these people and clean everywhere. It is called clear and steady.
Papa, I trust you.
Onyemechi, wherever he is, he will go and say, in fact, he will surrender and say, oh no, I have seen the throne. Take, I have surrendered. That way, there will be peace. Otherwise, there is something we call war without end.
You have not said anything concerning what I told you about our son and what he brought me.
Will you allow me to eat this food or do you want to eat it? Why is it that every time you are always talking about our son? Allow our son to enjoy himself. Allow him to enjoy himself. Allow him to enjoy himself. Okay,
Papa, eat your food though.
in fact, I have lost my appetite. I have lost my appetite.
Papa, sorry, eat. You know you have money now. Just enjoy yourself. Yes.
It's because of you that is making me...
You have lost your appetite and you are eating the meat. Why eating the meat? Why didn't you leave the meat?
In fact, what is the problem with this one?
Mama, leave Papa now.
Leave me alone. What is the problem?
You disturb brother, you disturb Papa. I don't understand. Mama, what is this now?
Don't you understand the simple table manners? You've been engaging me in long talk while you serve me for me to eat. You want to allow me to enjoy this food for goodness sake?
Papa, sorry. Just eat. Just eat. You have so much money now. Enjoy yourself. Mama.
serve me real quick. Pour the damn thing. Will you stop there? Do you want to kill me? You want to poison me?
Sorry, sir.
Did your ancestors take this kind of drink? You gone bonkers?
Sorry, sir.
Silly.
Sir, Auntie Stella left very angry. You needed to see her. She was fuming and...
Are you mad?
Sorry, sir.
Are you sick? Are you insane? Have you gone bonkers? Will you mind your business? Now get out of here. Come back. You said you went to the same school with Ugochi, Oyema's sister.
Yes, sir, that's true. We're actually close friends while we're in school.
And what's so funny about that? Why are you smiling?
I'm sorry, sir.
Do I look like I'm in a circus with you? Will you wipe that grin off your face? Silly. So tell me, how well do you know that family?
I know a whole lot about them, sir.
The whole lot?
Yes, sir.
A whole lot? Which means very much.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, you will go out there, and bring me Ugochi. And don't even try to cross my gate if Ugochi is not behind you, in front of you, or around you. Am I understood? Am I understood?
Yes, sir.
Now leave.
Now?
I said get out of here! You get the fuck out of here!
Oyema. 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 You're trying me. Oyema, you're trying me. And you know what? I will deal with you. I will put you where you belong, which is beneath my feet. Yes. Next time you hear Frank the Don, it will be your tail under you, beneath my feet. Oyema. Okay.
Yeah, my baby, we are back. We are back, we are back. Hey, come down, my baby.
Baby.
How do you go quiet?
You are so good.
See, let me
I
tell
had
you.
so much fun today.
Yes, let me tell you. The one that you are going to enjoy next time will be bigger than what you enjoyed today. Come on, Bele.
Papa, good evening. See who is here.
Ginika, what is the meaning of this nonsense?
Hey, Papa, good evening.
Papa!
How dare you? How dare you leave this house without the food I told you to prepare? Huh?
I'm so sorry.
Papa, sorry.
Are you out of your mind? What has come over you? Let that sorry kill you there. May thunder strike your tongue and not you.
Papa, sorry. It's not her fault, oh. It's not her fault. I met her on her way to the market to buy food items. And we, you know we are in love. And love carried us away. We started talking that we forgot that she's supposed to go to the market.
You are in love. Get out of my house.
Huh?
Do I have water in my mouth? Get out of my house. If I close my eyes and open it and you are still here, in fact, I will set this nonsense ablaze. This stolen car you brought here, I will set it ablaze.
Stone? Papa, he has not got into that. He has not got into this now. I came in peace, so.
Oh, you are still waiting for me. I'm coming. Tell him now.
Take your money. Come and take your money. See you later.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Are you still there?
Bye. Papa, see mommy.
I know ya. You could have waited. Akwagi. Ina acha kododo. I know ya.
Oh, we don't know what to do, and the gods will never answer.
So, Mama, what are you suggesting?
What I'm saying is that money is too much for anyone to reject. But you know, as a human being, you don't have to accept it so fast. You pretend as if you don't need it, but we need
Mama,
it.
till the rest of our lives, we will never accept it. Never. Mama, we will never. Okay, now think of it. What will make him to offer such amount of money? Huh? Mama, royalty is expensive. By the time I will mount the throne as the king of this land, Mama, I will make more than that. Mama, what is 500 million naira? It's a chicken change. I will make more than that.
No, it's not that I don't believe you. I believe you so much. You are my son. But how do we get 3 million naira to settle what is before us? I mean, we are under pressure. If they take this matter to the State Council of Kings, they will support them and deprive you of the entitlement. Entitlement, and no town can stay without a king for a long time.
Ma, I have big plans now.
Good evening, Mama. Good evening, Oga Oyema.
You're welcome.
Who are you and how may we help you?
Ugochi is my friend. Biko, is she in?
She's inside. Go in there.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Ugochi!
Who is she and what does she want? Then how do I allow her to enter our house?
But Ugochi is inside there now. Ugochi is, I don't know how. That's one of those friends your sister used to keep.
Why will he insult you? Why will he insult you? In fact, you are not going to see that girl again. Away from what I can, you will not see her again. Oh, Queen Elizabeth. Oh, Queen Elizabeth.
Very good. Can you just imagine?
Papa, see, I'm doing all these things. So. You know why I'm doing it? So that people will not say now, Osachuku is not driving big car. He's driving his gas car. He's not eating money. Now he now dump the girl that he used to love. Can you imagine? That's why I'm doing all these things. So. That's why I'm still showing her love. And the child will insult me. Talk to him.
Hey, Jezina. What nonsense.
But, Nani, wait. I believe you have to go and see Ichie and know what the problem is all about before saying all these things.
What do you mean? Mba, is this not your son? Why is it that you always see what he does as evil?
Nani, what did I do now?
Oh, you don't know what to do. I should go there and confirm before I say what I should say as due honor. I should go to Ichie and confirm.
Mama, why are you always sounding like this? What is it?
Papa, can you imagine? What your wife? What mama? What is all this things now? Every other mother in this world, when the son comes back, the woman will dance for the son. Mama did not even dance for me. Eh? She couldn't even dance for me. Mama was not even afraid of the car I came back with. She didn't fear the car, big car. Eh? Every other woman will see things that the son buy. They will be like, my son is back. Oh, they will start dancing. Mama couldn't dance for me. And he also Ichio, one Ichio. Mama, I don't like it. Though.
Listen, it's okay, my son. You will make money and chop money. Are you hearing me? Me and Bonayo is seriously behind you. He will take any. I will do that. Eat money and chop money. Or is your guy complaining?
No, babe.
Okay.
My guy is even supporting me to eat money. Papa, can you imagine my guy if I drink one bottle, my guy will say, I also you could drink more. Drink more. Yeah, the man is a good man. He likes me. He'll give me, say, any kind of car you want. Choose. Take one. Papa, next time, I'll be coming back with the convoy. One. My guy loves me. And my mama is here complaining as if he's your younger brother.
Let me tell you something. This is what your guy has done. Is what we call a certificate of occupancy.
Yes.
Occupy and dominate.
Nani, I am not surprised that you are saying all these things. I am not surprised at all.
Mba, a good Samaritan. You are not surprised that your son is improving. You are not surprised that your son is making headways.
Mama.
You are not supporting
Mama.
him.
By the time they settle me, even a handkerchief I will not buy for you.
Don't
you
buy.
see this rapper? Yeah, you can.
Don't buy.
I'm not buying hanky for you.
Don't buy.
Talk less of scarf.
It's your mother. Whatever you give her one.
Why would she be
Don't buy.
not be in support of me? Is my guy your brother? One day you beg me for rapper.
Let him enjoy his money.
Handkerchief I will not even buy.
I will beg you for rapper.
Take that money back to him.
Papa, what is this?
Take that money back to him, else this house will not contain both of us. Yala.
Papa, what is this? This is someone I'm dating. And he has plans to marry me.
That will never work again. Since his father wants to commit abomination with other elders to sell the throne of this land, I have nothing to do with him and his family. In fact, I am going to tell your brothers right away. That will never work, Omame.
Papa, what have this got to do with Uzo and I? Are we part of the royal clash? Papa, this is the money Uzo gave me. You understand? You couldn't give me. Your sons couldn't give me. What would you have me do? Papa, please stop it.
I have told you. I have told you. Take that money back to him, else I will send you away from this house. I know here. They're going to attack Utobo.
No, I can't return this money.
See her kitchen inside bar. Negri plasma. Hey! You walk up. Is this light?
Hello.
Uncle Don.
How are you?
Uncle Don.
How are you?
I greet you, sir. I greet you, sir.
Sharp girl. Yeah.
I did my sir.
Good.
You
good.
called.
Good.
You sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you. You see, I'm not one for long speeches, but I know you are somebody who knows what she wants.
Before?
All right? Yes. So this is it. Many things have been happening. Of course, you have been a witness to what has been going on. All right? So I need you to, be my business associate in this. Yes. I need you to do this. I need you to talk to that your eggshell head of a brother to leave that throne for me. He should relinquish that throne to me and your family will never suffer again.
Uncle Don, this thing that you just said now, I want to cry. Uncle Don, I want to cry. If this thing is not paying me, let thunder fire on that way. Uncle Don, everybody from this village knows that me and my brother are not in good terms. We're like cat and dog. We don't fight. And I will continue to fight him until he leaves this throne for you.
Good.
We need to live well now.
Yes.
I need money.
Yes.
I need the ego.
Yes. We all need money. You need money.
I need it.
You need money. Of course. Yes, and that is why I called you into this. Because I know you're smart.
Very smart.
Okay? Now, I'm not one for small talk, all right? Now, the question is, what do we do? What do we do? I have my own plans, but what are your plans? What are you bringing to the table? Before we proceed and you open your mouth, I don't believe in small talk, like I said, okay? First things first, I will forward to you. Yeah, I'll forward to you a total sum of 1 million naira. You put in your bank and
Uncle Don.
yes, the account.
Now lie.
What?
Now 1,000 naira they send me 1 million.
1 million, put in your account details on the bank.
Hey! Uncle Don.
Yes.
I beg. Just shift. Do not take the go upstairs. Make I just faint for here. For me. What is my account number?
Put your account number. And why are you excited about 1 million naira? Didn't you hear the part I said about a car? Yes.
What in the car?
By tomorrow you have a car.
Now lie.
Yes. What are you talking about?
But
you don't need to enjoy yourself. Express yourself. Yeah.
I beg. I just want to make you just shift, go upstairs. I won't faint for here. I won't faint.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's alright.
You're too much.
I'm telling you.
Now you get that.
Thank you.
My brother demand.
Thank you.
If you be who does that?
I mean.
Who? Is that where you went?
Can you imagine?
Look you now.
Can you
Look you.
Yeah.
See you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Pop my car number first.
Go on. By tomorrow, these legs will be in a car. Yes.
I like cars.
Yeah.
I'm really tired of waiting. Let's just go inside and sleep. You worry a lot about Ugochi, whereas she's bent on tearing this family apart. She's an adult, Mama. Ugochi can sleep wherever she wants to.
My daughter, no matter what happens, Ugochi is still my daughter. Just that I don't know what has come over her.
Mama, you don't need to wonder what has come over Ugochi because you already know that your daughter Ugochi has always been a lover of money. Which is exactly why she's unable to stick to one man, Mama. You shouldn't be worrying about her knowing the kind of person she is. I'm tired of waiting, Mama. Let's go and sleep.
Please go and sleep. You know, Baba, I will join you later.
Mama, there's no way I can leave you outside alone now. I would have gone inside since. I'm really sleepy, Mama.
Who is that?
Who else will it be, Mama, if not your daughter Ugochi? Of course, it's your daughter Ugochi. That is the way men used to bring her home. Mama! Why is she walking like that now? Mama! Sister.
Mama.
Gochi!
Mama! My personal mama! Mama mia! Mama de mama! Mama! Oh, forget! You will not die before your time. You will not die, mancha. You will not die. You enjoy this life. Forget reality. Eh? If you don't you want to enjoy this life, live that royalty. If not, you go die before you enjoy royalty.
You enjoy royalty. Ugochi, where have you been?
Mama mia!
Ugochi, where have you been? Ugochi, you look drunk.
Of course, Mama. She is very drunk, as you can see. This is the person we have been waiting for. Oh my God, sister. Do you know how long we've been out here waiting for you?
Yes. Call me millionaire. Call me
Mama, I will not deal with this. Your dear daughter is back home. I will go and sleep. I cannot believe this is what.
Oh, Mama, you too much. You too much.
I will slap out
Mama, Dimba.
You sent for me at this time of the night. I hope all is well.
All is well. Yes, all is well. Yes, you see, Ugochi, Onyema's sister, actually left here not long ago. Yes, she left here not long ago. We had a long, fruitful talk, and I'm happy to inform you that she's on our side now. I've brought her over. Yes. Yes. Yes.
But, Chief Frank, she's just a woman. What could she do?
From my understanding, never underestimate the power of a woman. Never, ever you do that. Never. Okay? Now, this is it. It's no secret that I have a lady I want to marry. But I won't marry her. No. Because of my ambition, I have now chosen to bring Ugochi into my camp. Yes, I will marry Ugochi. I've not told her my intentions. I've not told her. But I'll marry her. That way, I will now become Onyema's in-law.
Sounds good. But do you think that this will make Onyema to step aside for you?
Of course. He doesn't have a choice. Listen, why did I choose Ugochi? In that family, Ugochi is the brightest. She has more ambition. I mean, she's quite flashy. I mean, she knows what she wants. So when I marry her, I will change the fortunes of that family. You understand me? And that way the mother cannot fight me. Nobody will fight me. Yes, it's a no-brainer.
Well, that would have made a good point, though.
Yes.
But I don't think that Onyema and Ugochi move along too well. That I know very well. So why not place more of your plan to work on Ugochi to lure Awele to yourself? If there is anybody to marry here, go for Awele.
Awele?
Yes. Awele is Onyemechi's girlfriend. As a matter of fact, Awele and her mother were sent out of the village when Awele was just a little child. Now they are back in the house, and the king's men are giving them cold shoulder, leaving them impoverished. Not even single help. They are hungry by the day, leaving the elderly woman to gnash her teeth. Not even the stupid Onyemechi is contributing to their welfare. Nothing. So, I think if you make a swift switch and make it possible for Awele to become your wife, you would have defeated the Onyemechi. Physically and mentally, he will be maladjusted, useless as vegetable toast. From the way I see their relationship, if you marry Awele, Onyemechi will drink poison and die a natural death. Of course, you know the arithmetic formula of finding X. Of course, Onyemechi will be busy finding X, writing the whole pages of papers, while X is just by the corner. You would have mounted the truth. It is called social intelligence. It's in the brain. I trust.
You see why I can't do that? Okay.
You are my personal majesty.
Yes.
My majesty.
I like the sound of that. Yes. I like say it again.
My majesty.
Say it again. I like that.
Yes. Oya bale. Oya bale.
So, let's make me call this meeting.
Talk well now. Talk well. No, talk well. So we hear what you're saying. Talk well.
No rush me.
Please.
No rush me.
Oh, don't come here and be doing
No rush me. As first daughter when I be a call meeting, you don't try to make a meeting for.
Talk, please. I don't have time.
I beg. Free me talk. So, man, I just say make I call this meeting. I no go try call him again, no. And the first and the last time I'll come to be this.
Please, be fast. I have something to do. Talk. If you want to talk.
Don't rush me, oh. No, provoke me, oh. No try am. No rush me.
Saying so for what? Talk.
No rush me. I want to just reason. You understand? We put heads together. Act smart. As the ones they call themselves man of the house, no fit call meeting. You don't come meeting before.
Please go straight to the point. Go straight to the point and be fast about it.
Collect your medicine, no.
Because
collect your drug. I mean, they come meeting, they don't put they talk anyhow.
Mama, I want to do more is more than
Mama, Totona.
If I give her a very dirty slap this morning, you say I've started again.
Thanks.
Yeah?
Mama, leave brother to beat her. Her own is too much. Every time she's disrespecting brother, if brother wants to beat her, you be stopping him. Yeah. See the way she's talking to him.
They hand when you there no good. You no good. Don't let me change them for you. Guy. Look, you no fit. You know if you try and say you want slap me, they burn you well. I will not design your face. No. Best thing that I will use my hand deal with you. You be.
Who got you shut up? Shut up your mouth.
Yeah, I'm a man, I don't say this wrong.
I said you should shut up, oh.
Salam.
Shut your mouth.
Mama Rapia.
All the time you are ranting. Allow us to hear. Stop all this rubbish.
I won't be rubbish now, where? I won't be rubbish. I don't talk, I don't collect, I don't talk. I don't talk in the rubbish. No wahala. No girl say I no be man. On how I be man, guy. If I don't say that throne. Salam! 1 second. Don't sell and collect the money. There they have no sense with her.
Mama Raponya is a very stupid girl. But let me tell you something. Better pray. Pray that a man will come and marry you off from this family.
Then tell you say marriage is my problem.
Yeah?
And they rush to marry.
If I finally ascend the throne, you will never enter that palace.
Ah!
Let me tell you, you will never ever smell that palace.
Now you
think I'll deal with some entities. Silly.
Who they talk?
Mama, let me just go and meet with the elders. I have meeting with them, not here talking with some stupid, silly, vagabond, nonchalant, some hoodlums.
Now who calls you that grandma? Who teach that grandma? Come on, I don't say that only primary 5. Let me and you there and primary 5.
I taught you.
This one are English by contact. English by contact. Who teach you am?
Naga of my oh.
Brother, take care, oh.
They are the talk grammar will be passed. English by contact.
Bia Ugochi. Respect yourself in this family. Like you just said, let this be the last time you will raise this issue again.
Who they breathe when they come here? Who they breathe? When they come? No one verse, I beg. I beg, I no one verse, I beg. She.
Mama, are you sure this girl is my sister?
I'm wondering, oh. I'm still wondering. Mama, they no longer more.
Because I don't know who is behaving like this in this family.
Was I sleeping when I conceived her? Was I sleeping when I gave birth to her? I still remember that day. I might say that some maybe nurses changed my child.
Oh, yeah? Mama, you need to.
I don't know.
Mama, you need to leave brother to beat her sometimes. She keeps disrespecting brother because every time he wants to beat her, you will stop him.
I don't know whether to go and do. What's that taste? That's.
Sorry. I'm trying to call Onyema on the phone. Let me see if he can come here.
No. Don't call him. Allow me to die in peace.
Hey.
I want to die
Mama
in peace.
Kusino, if I stop this thing you are saying, I don't like it. I don't like it. Well, every time you're talking about death. Stop this now. His number is not even connecting.
I want to die. I want to die.
Mama. all I want you to do, just be calm. Oh, let me rush to Onyema's house. Let me see if I can get some money from him. Biko, oh, just stay calm. Oh, Biko, I'll be back now. Oh, come in. Mama, please now, Biko, I'm begging you, please. Oh, I'll come back now. Oh, please. Oh, I'll come back now.
So keep that one. Rosa, come be at our meeting now. Papa, give me.
Okay, Papa. Papa, here is the money. Keep it.
Chimu, my son, this is big.
Keep it where you kept the other one so that it will be growing. Yes.
Udoka.
Papa.
Quickly go to my withdrawal. Hide it the way you used to hide it.
Okay, Papa.
So that Mama will not see it.
Hide it very well.
My son, you are doing well.
Yes, sir.
By December, when you are settled properly, next year, Easter, you would have built estate in this our village, and it will be called Uzochukwu Estate.
Papa, you know me. You know me. I'm not joking.
You're doing well.
I'm not joking at all.
You're doing well. Hide it. So that Uzochukwu Estate,
yes,
it will be written very well, and the street will be.
So Nani, you went and collect this money again to keep for him, and Nani. Nani, actually, me go for Juju. All these things that you are doing, are they good? They are not good, oh Nani. Why are you doing all this?
My son, like I said, we are attending the meeting with that stupid person. So, safety rules. As you are driving, don't sleep and drive. Don't make call while you are driving. Akwakwanamu until you get to town.
Nani,
Take care.
you are not replying me on Nani.
Go and keep the money.
Oh, Nani, you don't want to talk to me, eh? Hey, what is wrong with this man?
Mama, what is it? Mama, what is it?
Hey, Mama.
Mama, making you see.
Mama, leave him now.
For God.
Talk to your mother. Talk to your mother.
Brother, don't
I will start coming back to this village.
Hey, brother.
Mama, I bought that wrapper for you. Remove it. Remove that wrapper now.
That is okay. Don't allow him stress you.
I will remain in the city and get another mother there.
Don't allow her to stress you. It's okay.
I will use money and buy mother.
Onyema.
Where are you rushing to?
I was actually coming to your house. It's my mother. Her condition has gotten worse. I don't know what to do.
I thought you bought her some drugs yesterday.
Yes, but the money you gave to me wasn't enough. I had to buy the cheap one. The one she needs to take is very expensive, and I couldn't buy it yesterday.
Oh, what are we going to do now?
I just wanted to know if you could help me with 4,000, so I could add it to the one you gave to me yesterday, so I could get the drugs.
4,000. Okay. Okay. See, I'm rushing to meet the elders. I have some meeting with them. Okay. Okay. Once I finish with them, I'll come and meet you to know how we're going to take Mama to the hospital. Okay. But before then, I have. Okay, manage this. Just use it and get some drugs for her.
Thank you.
Okay.
Nima,
Once
God
I'm done, I'm coming to see you guys. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Please take care of yourself.
All right. Be careful too.
It's okay. I'm coming now.
Be careful too. Okay.
Okay. What's going on? What's all this now? An Emezi can lay my throne. I cannot sell my throne now. I can't just sell my throne.
Yes. Listen here. Chukudi, can you just shut up? Look, why did I make you my manager? For what reason? No, tell me for what reason? What? Listen, my friend, will you shut up? Shut up when I'm talking. Look, I told you to send that mail on the 13th. Why did you send it? Why did you not send that mail? Now, you heard what Ozone Petroleum MD is saying. They are delaying my payments because of you. Now listen here, okay? I need that account funded. You understand me? where I am right now needs money. You know my ambition, don't you? Yes, you know my ambition, so you know I need money. Listen. If you talk again, listen. I'm about to ease off 500 million from my account. Do you know what that's going to do to my account? Do you know how many years you work before you make 500 million? Will you even ever make 500 million? What is wrong with you? Look, if they don't give me that money, if I don't get that money, that account is not funded, you're going to lose your job. That is the best promise I can give you. Yes, the best promise. Rubbish, silly. Yes. Peter, what is it? What? You have the car.
Good afternoon, sir.
You're 10 minutes away. Okay. Drive the car. Why are you calling me? Yes, what is it? And why are you late? Why did you stay that long?
Sir, you know I had to buy other things we use in the house.
Yes,
sir.
And you're sure you bought everything?
Yes, sir.
You bought what they would like?
Sure, sir.
The right things?
Of course, sir.
Good. Chioma?
Yes, sir.
Come here. 3 of us will go and meet them, alright? Okay. You know what's that smell? Yeah, from you, what's that smell? You smell of seasoning, you smell of crayfish. What is that? Change that uniform, alright? Can't be smelling that way.
What is this?
What did you talk? What is what?
Where did you get this car from?
Ugochi.
What's in?
Who owns this car?
Male. When I tell you, sir, I go make car. This are the Jones, Sabi. I tell you, sir, I go make car. But this now, I don't make car. Now my mom be this now. Huh? I said now my mom. How come? Guy, any come na come. So if I say come there inside, any come na come. When I just there, the reason why I take royal family for me. And wow, I don't become princess Tete. You feel me?
Ugochi.
Let
this not be what I'm thinking.
Hey.
Yabukwani femne.
Man, how want to know to the thing now?
Yabukwana yao.
No, ma. How want to know to the reason? Huh?